1 package of Swedish meatballs. Now we're gonna come in with some brown gravy mixture, and I'm gonna dump the whole packet in here. Really try and saturate those meatballs. All right, now we're gonna come in with some Limpton's secret recipe, you know, for the dip and the soup mix. And I'm just gonna dump all of this in here as well.
Oh, look at those onions, those pieces. Oh, that's gonna be so good with that.
It's gonna be so tasty.
Ooh, it smells delicious
I have no
already.
idea. That's why it says secret. Now we're gonna come in with some beef broth. And I'm gonna dump in probably, I don't know, maybe 3/4 the container. Just so these meatballs are nice.
Ooh, and juicy.
Yeah, nice and juicy. Make sure they're covered. Yeah, it's about 3/4 right there.
Yeah.
And then I have a secret ingredient my grandma used to use. A little bit of inspiration right here. So just a tad, that's all we need. Then I'm gonna come in with my big spoon here, and I'm just gonna stir this all around, just so all those flavors get nice and mixed together. That way when they cook, every meatball gets a little bit of it all. Okay, just like that. All mixed up, boom. Come in with our lid here. I'm gonna turn the crock pot on high, leave it on there for like 3 or 4 hours, and stick around because we got another thing we need to do before these are finished. All right, our meatballs are almost done, so I'm gonna bring in a measuring cup with 1/2 cup of water. I'm also gonna bring in some cornstarch. What we're gonna use is we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch right there in our water. And I'm just gonna mix this around. This is gonna help thicken up that gravy in there with those meatballs. So get it nice and thick for us. So that's all mixed up, perfect. Gonna remove our lid. We're just gonna come up.
Oh, and you're gonna dump it in there?
Yep, I'm just gonna dump the cornstarch and the water all in there. Just like that.
Oh my gosh, those smell amazing.
Doesn't it smell good? I'm gonna come in here and mix this up again.
Wow.
Make sure everything's all nice and mixed.
Yum. Oh, I see the onion from that.
Yeah, it's gonna be so delicious.
Wow, that looks-
All right, everything's in there. We're gonna let these cook for 10 more minutes, and then we're gonna dig in. All right, our meatballs are finally done.
Wow.
Look how much that thickened up. Now it's like gravy.
Oh, those look so good.
Doesn't that look tasty? Look at that. Bring in my bowl here. Put some in a bowl. Oh my gosh, these smell divine. Look at that. Woo, steaming. Put these out for people with toothpicks. Put this over mashed potatoes maybe. I don't know. What are you gonna pair this with? Or you can eat it just like this for a quick pick-me-up. Here we go. Wow.
Good stuff, huh?
Super good, you guys. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like Salisbury steak. You like Salisbury steak? So tasty with the brown gravy. Give this one a try. Let me know what you'd pair it with. Enjoy.